Hello and welcome to another A to Z World Foods video brought to you by the Weyburn Public Library and the Estevan Public Library. Today we're going to be making a Danish cucumber salad recipe, which will be a great way to use up some of the cucumbers from your garden this summer. Let's find out what we need for this recipe. To make this recipe, we'll need 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of water that's just been boiled, 1 cup of vinegar, half cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of pepper. The first step is to slice the cucumber into thin rounds using a mandolin or knife. Lay it out on a large plate and sprinkle with salt to draw out the water. Set aside for about 10 minutes. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, mix hot water, vinegar, and sugar. Stir until the sugar is dissolved in the liquid. Rinse the cucumbers to remove the salt and add to the vinegar mixture. Season with pepper and place in a bowl in the refrigerator to cool for about 15 minutes. Serve cold as a side dish at dinner. All right, we got our cucumber salad. It's time to try it. That was really good. That would be a great way to use up your cucumbers from the garden this year. I'm Krista Clemmer, adult programmer with the Weyburn Public Library on behalf of the Estevan Public Library as well. Thank you so much for tuning in to another A to Z World Foods video. You can find the recipe for this cucumber salad down below. You can also find it through A to Z World Foods, which is available for free through the Southeast Regional Library website under all e-resources. We'll also have that linked below too. Thanks for watching.